Idaho is, in a word, epic.
And we should know, hello, we just made a show about it.
That's not your line, Chad.
You know me, I never memorize lines about anything. I'm Chad. Wait, what was the line?
And I'm Jonathan Conti, and this is the making of Epic Idaho. Yeah, Madeline, are you ready?
I'm rolling, yes.
Jeez, Madeline.
So this is a cool saddle. Can you actually sit on the saddle for a photo?
Well, we prefer, since it's a historic piece, that you don't get on the saddle because you can damage it.
It says right there, don't sit on the saddle. Okay, well, I guess speaking of historic, let's head out to Railroad Ranch and check out some train stuff.
Where are the mooses? It's my goal to find a moose today. The plural for moose, if you didn't know, is mises. I would be happy finding a group of mises as well, and I may steal the baby as a pet. I'm gonna get the moose scent on me to attract the moose.
So what you're saying is that there's a possible moose-human mating scene coming up?
Do you think if I dressed up as a moose, that would be better?
I think if you had a Rocky Bullwinkle costume from Halloween, you could wear it now.
So I should dress up as a squirrel.
Oh,
and
wait.
that would attract the moose.
Who was the moose?
Rocky was the moose.
Rocky, right.
Wait, I don't know. No, Rocky was the squirrel.
Rocky
Bullwinkle was the moose.
Bullwinkle was the moose. So yeah,
very
dress up like
moosey
Bullwinkle.
name.
Yes.
Okay. What?
I just wanted to do that and see if you could bring me some food.
Well, it's not ready yet, Chad. This moose meat takes about 3 hours to roast, and I can't do it with just coal. Like, we need gas in this place. I can't work under these conditions.
I have an idea. Let's use the Super Chef broiler to heat it up.
After I've been slaving away all day with this thing? No, you just wait.
That was take one of Playing House with John and Chad.
Dear Petunia, it is a long and cold winter. I forever long for the day where you hold me in your warm embrace. We lost Georgie this year due to the flu. I pray that Frank does not catch pneumonia and take the similar path into darkness. The railway has been closed for some time due to snow on the tracks. We have the servants clearing it now.
All right.
I don't know why we're rolling. Okay, go ahead. I'm following your lead.
Why are we rolling? I'll tell you why we're rolling, because I'm going to say some fabulous
I feel like this is not a fabulous area. It's the parking lot.
This is not. This is a parking lot, but we can talk about... Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
How about this?
Come on.
Huh?
No.
We're going to see one of these guys. Sooner or later, we're going to see a moose. Actually, we'll probably see mooses, multiple. I think so.
They're called mises.
Mooses.
Hey, Chad.
Yeah.
You know what most of your dad jokes are?
Awesome.
Sappy. That was a good dad joke. That was actually my dad joke. It's usually something like a one line, like, let's get out, I'm hungry or something.
How about
like
this?
that.
How about you're like totally fine, and you say, man, that was an awesome hike down to those falls. That was killer, something like that. And I'll just be, and you'd be like, and I'll just be.
Yes. How can I look nonchalant? Like, this? Is this nonchalant? Is this nonchalant? Is this nonchalant?
Rolling?
George is like this. I kind of feel like it should be like this. I think I do have a couple splinters. Hey, it took you long enough. So I didn't find the moose in Harriman's, but as soon as we left, right on the side of the road, huge male moose.
Yeah, we
Big
both
moose.
We both looked over at the same time, and it's like after lunch, driving down the road, kind of warm in the sun, a little tired. Both kind of gazed over, like moose, 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 right there, moose. But the thing is, at least we were ready. Got 2 cameras out, ran down there, and got this giant big bull moose.
I wish he would have posed for me, but he didn't. He was like, meh, meh. Moose.
I don't think it was a Union moose, because a Union moose would have posed.
Yes, a Union moose would have posed. All right, let's go. Back on the road.
Thanks for watching this behind the scenes look at Epic Idaho. Please subscribe to our channel for weekly adventures in Idaho and beyond. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any travel questions for us, we would love to see them in the comments section. And if you haven't watched Epic Idaho yet, make sure you head over to Visit Idaho and check it out. Link to the series is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.